Welcome to the video. Today we are going to analyze the decal chart analysis. Okay, this is the decal chart. Here each candle represents one day. Okay, here you can see that this is the pattern. Okay, there are two patterns formed in this, that horizontal patterns you can see in a box manner, and this triangle pattern also there. Okay, both are there. So two confirmation needed. There are two targets, so it's a risky trade. So better to wait for this confirmation above breakout, or you can buy yourself also. And this is the target, it's very low, maximum losses will be there, so be risky. Okay guys, there are two patterns form, triangle and the rectangle. Okay, there are two times you can see here. This is the target. The triangle has been broken here today, that is this candle is today's 3rd June. Okay, after breaking of this triangle, the targets are, the stock can give up to 14.50% in upcoming days. Okay, but here is the resistance, you can see this should be broken so that this can be achieved. Okay, from here it may uptrend only, so check yourself whether to trade or not. Okay, and here to here there is the 14% movement, that is 29.80 rupees movement can be taken place from here. Okay, after breaking this triangle. Okay, 14% movement upside, or else it can be down again also. If this reverses below this line, you can see the price, it will enter again into this below this. Okay, go down, so be careful. After this breaking we can confirm. Okay, but here also this triangle breakout has been given, so it will also maximally breakout happens. Chances are there, so breakout may happen. Okay, here also in triangle pattern has been breakout has been done today only. In triangle pattern, based upon the triangle pattern, the chances are, that is the probability is 14% percent upside is there. You can see the values. Now the stock is at 211 rupees, 211.20. You can see today's close, and the stock can go up to 235. Okay, based on this triangle pattern, as if probability success. Okay, and in this another pattern, you can see after breaking this price, that is 218.95, that is approximately 219. After breaking 219, that is the daily candle closing above the 219 price, then we can go on that. Then at that moment the stock can return up to 15% from the breakout area. Okay, that is above 219, that is the stock can go up to, you can see the price live, 252 rupees. Up to 252 rupees the stock can go, that is 15% upside movement, approximately 33 rupees upside. Okay, from this breakout, after breaking out the line, you can see here 218.95 levels, that is approximately 219 above. Okay, closes, if daily candle closes above this, stock can move 15% movement upside. Okay, these are the two patterns breakouts in the decal stock analysis. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Use proper stop loss to avoid losses, and you must know the basics for minimizing the stop losses, not stop losses, the losses in your portfolios. Okay, by trading. Okay, this is a long term movement. Okay, as already many people think, as that also a fact also, that the stock decal already performed many big movements. Okay, many, but still probability is there to move more upside, chances are there. So that's why it's a risky trade. All trades are risky only, I think so. Sometimes losses occurs, sometimes profits, so be careful. Better to avoid losses is best. Okay, thanks for watching. you can see the prices. Okay, 218.65 should broken to achieve a big movement up to 252, and here up to 235, 235 and 252 targets. Let's wait for the price, whether up or down, whatever we will see in coming days. Okay, let's see this in coming days. Thanks for watching, guys.